Welcome back to my school bus conversion project. So I've put in the top section of this wall using some scrap sheet metal that I had lying around. This wall will separate the living area from the workshop area. It's made of metal for an important safety reason, which is that if I should ever be involved in an accident, this will help keep any of the heavy stuff out here from making its way up to the front. And since this is a thin metal wall, I've added some automotive noise dampening material to prevent rattling. So the purpose of these is to prevent the large things that I have on wheels from moving around when the bus is in motion. So they slide into these pairs of tubes, one of which is connected to, in this case, my tool chest, and the other is connected to the wall, and lock it in place. And if I need to move the tool chest around, I can remove that, and the tool chest is free to move. So I'm going to be putting those on the tool chest and the welding cart, and then I will probably add them to the bandsaw as well. So that will do it for this week's episode. See you all next week.